Hi, this is James and welcome to this episode of Bitcoin News Today. Trying a new video setup for you, so let me know what you think in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And today we're going to look at the environmental damage of Bitcoin. Are the news reports true, or is this overblown? This is in the news today. And also I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on the Bitcoin price to predict what Bitcoin may do in the near future. So if that sounds interesting, definitely stay tuned to this video. Bitcoin is still the biggest out of all of the cryptocurrencies. You can see on coin360.com that Bitcoin is the largest. Behind that closely are Ethereum and Ripple, but all of the other coins are much smaller. Bitcoin still has market dominance. The market cap of Bitcoin is $60.5 billion US dollars, so very big deal really. So let's go on to today's news story. The reports of Bitcoin environmental damage are garbage, according to hackernoon.com. So the author of this article, Robert Sharratt, goes on to say that he's got a background in electricity from when he was an investment banker and worked in natural resources and a power group about 8 years ago, and modelled electricity systems and assets in the UK and China in the context of acquisitions, capital raisings, restructurings and regulatory submissions. He worked for HSBC in their emerging markets team, and he knows China very well as well. So scrolling down this article, he also says that he's an environmentalist and grew up in rural Canada, and he likes the outdoors a little bit more than most people. He now lives in Switzerland and does a lot of mountain climbing. He believes crypto is the best way to reduce inequality in the world and provide financial inclusion to low-income people. So going down here on the news, he says almost all news articles repeat the lie that crypto is an environmental problem, and it can all be traced back to one source. Alex de Vries, a 20-something-year-old who has no knowledge of the electrical industry, power modelling, China or any other real-world experience. He blogs from home on a blog, digiconomist.net, and his reports are about as unscientific and unethical as you can get. While claiming to be unbiased and touting peer-reviewed academic articles, his site uses incendiary language to describe the Bitcoin computers that maintain system security and administration as consuming huge amounts of electricity, which have now apparently reached epic proportions. This massive energy consumption isn't the biggest problem though, according to de Vries. It's that the network is mostly fueled by coal-fired power plants in China. So I'll let you read this article yourself. I'll put the link in the description. Now, Jonathan Koumi is a special advisor to the chief scientist of the Rocky Mountain Institute. He was a lecturer in Earth Systems at the School of Earth, Energy and Environmental Sciences at Stanford University, and a research fellow at the Steyer Taylor Center for Energy, Police and Finance at Stanford University. He worked as a researcher and scientist at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory for more than 2 decades, and he serves on the editorial board of the journal Contemporary Economic Policy. Koumi says that de Vries' work is fundamentally flawed because it backs into Bitcoin's power consumption by estimating miners' revenues and expenses. Anytime you do that, you introduce multiple layers of error and uncertainty. It's a completely unreliable way to do the analysis, and no credible energy analyst would ever do that. So, a reassuring article here. As I say, I'll put the link in the video description so you can read it yourself in full. Other things in the news at the moment related to Bitcoin. $4,500 for a Bitcoin is not an impossibility, according to News BTC. A key reversal is on the cards, according to Blockonomy. And Venezuela has found the hard way that only Bitcoin is unconfiscatable. So let's go on to the price analysis. Now, if you're new to my channel, one of the things that's unique about my channel is that I've analysed the entire history of Bitcoin right from the start, and I've looked for the chart patterns that are most reliable in predicting the price of Bitcoin. And it's a little bit different to normal stocks and shares, because the patterns that are most reliable for stocks and shares, such as head and shoulders, descending wedges and things like that, they're not very reliable for Bitcoin. Instead, I found some other different patterns that are much more reliable. So let's just look at two examples of some recent predictions that I made. There was a pivot point reversal on the 19th of January, which you can see here. We was in an uptrend, and then this pivot occurred and broke downwards. My prediction was $3,486, so 3486, which is there, and you see that we did break down there on the 22nd, so that target was reached. The other one is an inside day pattern on the 6th and the 7th of January. 6th and the 7th, which is here. You see that this range here fitted within the previous day's range, and we got a breakout downwards on the 10th here. My prediction was $3,513, 3513, 3513, which is here, and we did reach that on the 22nd of January as well. So those two predictions were true, and we've got quite a few other predictions currently in play at the moment that are open, so I'm going to mark those on the chart for you now. Now we got another pivot point reversal of an uptrend here on the 20th, so we got a breakout downwards on the 21st. My prediction there was $3,303, 3303. So that would be just about here. I will mark that on the chart. We've not got down there yet. This one is currently open. We've also got a pivot point reversal of a downtrend on the 14th. So you see that the price was dropping here, then it reversed upwards on the 14th. We got a breakout on the 19th. My target there is 3340. So very close to this line here. 3340 is just here, so I will mark that on the chart as well for you. We got an inside day pattern on the 14th and the 15th of January, which is here. You'll see that this range here fits within the previous day's range, and we got a breakout of that range downwards on the 20th. Target is 3340, so the same target as the previous one. The 17th and the 18th of January as well. You see that this range fits within this range here. We've got a breakout to the upside on the 19th. That gives us a target of 3803 is here. So that's a target to the upside. I shall put that on in green, which is approximately there. Then another one on the 20th and 21st. So you see that on the 21st this range fits within the previous range, making it an inside day pattern. We got a breakout downwards. The next day on the 22nd, the target is 3303, which is the same as this previous target. Change that to red again. And on the 22nd and 23rd, another inside day pattern there. We got a breakout downwards on the 29th. The target is $3311, which is just here, just above the other target. And we do have what seems to be a fakey bullish pattern emerging, but it depends what the action is today. So definitely do subscribe to my channel. I'll give you updates about that pattern. That could give us a potential target of 3835 if we do get a breakout to confirm that. So that would be just about here, but I won't put that one on the chart just yet because we've not got confirmation of that. Now, looking at the money flow index, we are down at 39 at the moment, and we're currently kind of within the middle of the range, so it could go either way. But on the chart you can see that the price is in a downtrend at the moment. We've been trending downwards since the 20th of December in fact. So chances are that we are going to go down to these levels. Now, I don't know if you know, but you can profit by the price of Bitcoin dropping by shorting the price of Bitcoin. So definitely click the link I'll put in the video description below, and that explains how you can short Bitcoin and profit from the price dropping. And then potentially when the price is down there, you can then make money by buying at the bottom and selling when the price increases. So yes, it is still possible to make money from trading Bitcoin. And in fact, if you'd like $5 worth of Bitcoin for free, just click the link in the video description and you can get that bonus from Coinbase. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do give the video a thumbs up and check out this video as well that I'm sure you will love. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.